this short trade. It got stopped out. I just loaded my computer. I was doing other stuff in the morning, then got long here, and the market just stopped me out, and it reversed. I was in profit, but you know, things happen. So right now we're in this trade, and we're trying to see if we can get the target. We already took one out, and hopefully we can be break even plus a little bit more. Okay, it's reversing. We see lots of buyers on the tape. The Nasdaq just took off. High volume expansion. Blue arrows. Blue arrows means high volume with a high conviction. Tape momentum. Manipulation starting coming into the market. Can get a little bit more. Tape momentum. Lots of buyers in the tape. Another high volume expansion here with correlation. True correlation. Okay guys, so
target filled.
Okay, plus 1,000 guys. Okay, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video, and there's no difficult to trade in this system, guys. Just watch for the prints, okay, for these dots, the arrows, and the time and sell, and you will be ready for trading. Okay, it's all that you need. You just take the reversals, okay, on the Unirenko, and you'll be good to go. Okay, not every reversal, but at least where there's volume expansion, or you can just trade the volume expansion. As you can see, when you can see every print, you can see there's 2, 3, 4 ticks, okay, of profit, 4 ticks of profit, 2, 4 ticks, 6 ticks of profit. Just place a limit order, okay, when you see the arrow on the candle close, and you'll be done. Or you can do automation. Okay, so there's lots of things ways that you can trade this system. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and have a good day.